Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Sonic headlight bulb. First, gather your new H11 bulb and a pair of clean gloves to avoid touching the bulb's glass. Next, open your vehicle's hood to gain access to the headlight assembly. It's important to ensure all lights are turned off before you begin working to prevent any electrical issues. Now let's find the bulb. Reach behind the headlight housing and locate the round, black plastic dust cap. This cap protects the bulb. Twist it approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. Once the cap is off, you will see the electrical connector. Gently pull back its retaining clip to prepare for disconnection. With the clip pulled back, carefully disconnect the electrical plug from the old headlight bulb. Next, rotate the old bulb itself about 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it straight out of the housing. Take your new H11 bulb, holding it by its base with clean gloves, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise to lock it securely into place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical plug to the base of your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely. Then, replace the black plastic dust cap, twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise until it's snug. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working correctly and illuminating the road ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.